In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Crunchyroll try again error. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between networks. Next thing you want to do is reload the page. Click on this icon given at the top left for a few times. Next, clear cache and cookies for Crunchyroll. For that, click on three dots given at the top right. Now head over to the option settings. Now head over to the option privacy and security. Navigate to the option site settings. Click on view permission. Share source for Crunchyroll. Once it appears, click on this delete icon and confirm it. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next, if you have enabled any browser extension, you will need to disable it. So head over to this section of extensions. From here, you can easily remove or disable any suspicious extensions. Likewise, if you're using a VPN or proxy service, disable it temporarily and try using Crunchyroll again, as VPNs can sometimes interfere with streaming and account verification. Finally, if none of these methods work, the problem may be caused by a temporary Crunchyroll server outages or maintenance. To check that, search for Crunchyroll server status, then navigate to its official website. If there are any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Crunchyroll try again error. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.